Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is absolutely creative and DIY, but I have a simple request to you. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy ideas. Friends, before going to the details of this video or further DIY ideas or suggestions that I have for you in my today's video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And friends, please, one more request that please do make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family so that not only you but your friends and family could also get entertained with very beautiful, amazing and stylish trendy ideas related to women fashion, DIY, handcrafts and many more creative ideas related to fashion world. So friends, my today's video is about hand art, handmade stuff, hand embroidery and different types of hand embroidery ideas that you can how utilize these patterns into various number of ways, into various dimensions that you have never thought before. We are going to discuss in today's video. So friends, now these are all beginner hand embroidery design ideas with very easy hand embroidery stitches, and you can use these hand embroidery patterns for a various number of reasons. You can make these hand embroidery patterns with the art of hand embroidery, wool embroidery, anchor DMC thread embroidery. You can also use these patterns for machine embroidery, computerized machine embroidery, automatic digital embroidery machines, and at the same time you can also use the art of fabric painting for exactly these patterns. So these are the different ways that how you can utilize a one embroidery pattern. Guys, you are seeing these very beautiful and fantastic color combination based embroidery patterns made onto face masks. These are face masks, mouth masks, they are breathable masks, they are reusable, washable, they are made on organic cotton, linen, blended fabric that is very comfortable and light to wear throughout the whole day, and they will keep you protected from COVID-19 and many other seasonal, dangerous, acute or minor viral infections as well. So friends, if we talk about the embroidery stitches, then very easy embroidery stitches: chain embroidery stitch, a lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, crisscross stitch, Mexican embroidery, and very easy knotty stitch like French knot, twisted knot, and very basic leaf embroidery patterns like fly stitch, satin stitch have been used. So if you really like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing do press the bell icon. I am requesting it again to you. So hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then friends, please take care of yourselves, stay blessed and stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.